Master the verb become for IELTS success. The word become is essential in English, especially for IELTS test takers. It's a common verb that helps express change or development. Understanding how to use become correctly can significantly improve your language skills and boost your IELTS score. Let's explore this versatile word in detail. Word type. Become is a verb. It's an irregular verb, which means its forms change in ways that don't follow the usual rules. Meaning, become has two main meanings. First, it means to start to be something. Second, it means to suit or look attractive on someone. Word history. The word become comes from Old English. It originally meant to arrive or come to a place, but over time its meaning shifted to describe a change in state or condition. Antonyms. Some opposites of become include remain, stay, and continue. These words express a lack of change, contrasting with become's sense of transformation. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to become include turn into, grow, develop, and transform. These all convey the idea of change or progression. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at some examples of how to use become in sentences. After studying hard, Sarah became an excellent student. The caterpillar will become a butterfly. That dress really becomes you. It looks great on you. As time passed, the old house became more valuable. Common errors in use. Be careful not to confuse become with became. Become is the base form of the verb, while became is the past tense. For example, it will become cold tonight is correct for future tense, but it became cold last night is correct for past tense. Another common mistake is using become with adjectives that already imply a process. For instance, don't say the situation became worsened. Instead, say the situation worsened or the situation became worse. Mastering the use of become will help you express changes and transformations more effectively in your IELTS speaking and writing tasks. Practice using it in different contexts, and soon it will become a natural part of your English vocabulary. Remember, becoming proficient in English is a journey, and every word you learn brings you one step closer to your goal.